Hi friends, welcome to our channel Farmer Geeks. Beware study shows exposure to organ phosphate pesticide increases risk of COVID-19 infections. A new study concluded by Saurabh Chatterjee et al. At the University of South California, US, in human lung airway cells shows that exposure to organophosphate pesticides and the occurrence of cancer of type 2 diabetes can increase the risk of getting COVID-19 infection. The term of scientist has identified a basic mechanism that is linked to inflammation and the rise in the risk of contracting COVID infection in people who are exposed to the organophosphate pesticides. About a study, the team analyzed whether exposure to chlorpyrifos, which is an organophosphate pesticide, and high level of interleukin 6 IL-6 could raise the risk of getting COVID infections. For this, they exposed epithelial cells of human lung airway to either chlorpyrifos or IL-6 or both for 6 hours. Another group of cells were not exposed. Then the team treated the exposed cells with spike proteins found in the covering of SARS-CoV-2. When a person is infected, spike proteins of the virus bind with angiotensin converting enzymes to ACE2 receptors of the host body cells, patient cells. This triggers a process that let the virus release its genetic material to health host body cells. The study presented that cells exposed to the organophosphate pesticides or IL-6 showed high rate of apoptosis, control cell death, when they were infected with SARS-CoV-2 and the spike protein bound them. The exposed cells shows greater ACE2 expressions at the apical cell surface compared to unexposed cells. This means more viruses can attach themselves to such cells. The same things was seen in cells of bodies suffering from cancer or type 2 diabetes. Such type of studies shows it is better to be a natural and healthy as possible during the pandemic situation. The more you expose yourselves to chemicals and artificial things and develop illness, the more your risk of falling to the coronavirus. Hence, we request you to please be aware with the pesticides such as organophosphates, etc. Thank you for watching your channel Farmer Geeks.